Beyond Tech Tide. In search of the tech world.
Have you ever wondered how astronauts enjoy a meal while floating thousands of miles above Earth? How do they eat and drink in zero gravity? It's a fascinating process, one that requires food science, creativity, and some incredible food engineering. Welcome to Beyond Tech Tide. Today, we're diving into the unique world of space, food, and exploring how NASA prepares meals for astronauts venturing into the vastness of space. Get ready to discover the amazing ways science and innovation keep astronauts well fed in orbit. Food in space is much more than just nourishment, it's a lifeline that keeps astronauts healthy and motivated during their missions. Imagine spending months or even years away from fresh food, home-cooked meals, and the comforts of Earth. It's essential that the food prepared for space travel not only meets strict nutrition standards, but also provides a bit of comfort and familiarity. Today, we'll go behind the scenes to explore the science, engineering, and imagination involved in making food for space. From preserving nutrients to designing special packaging that works in zero gravity, each meal is a marvel of food, technology and food engineering. Let's talk about the challenges of eating in zero gravity. When astronauts first went into space, they quickly learned that food behaves quite differently up there. In microgravity, crumbs can float away, liquids form into globules, and even basic meal prep becomes a challenge. And it's not just about managing food in zero gravity. In space, there's no refrigerator, which means food processing and food safety are critical. Space food has to be shelf-stable, highly nutritious, and compact. It also needs to be easily packaged, so that astronauts can prepare and eat it with minimal hassle. Then there's the issue of nutrition in space. Astronauts require a diet that provides essential nutrients, as the body can change significantly in microgravity. Muscles and bones weaken, and the immune system can be affected, so their diet must be rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein to keep them healthy on these long missions. So, how does NASA meet these challenges? Through a variety of food preservation techniques, astronauts can enjoy a range of meals in space. One common method is freeze-drying, where the moisture is removed from the food, making it lightweight and shelf-stable. To eat it, astronauts simply add water, and the food rehydrates to something close to a home-cooked meal. On the International Space Station, astronauts have access to meals like beef stew, scrambled eggs, fruits, and even desserts, all prepared through advanced food processing techniques. Snack time might include nuts, dried fruits, and even candy, all packed in special containers to prevent crumbs from floating away. Each food item is designed with special food technology to ensure it's safe to eat and meets their nutritional needs. From food science to food engineering, everything is considered to give astronauts the best possible diet in a challenging environment. One of the most memorable food experiments in space happened on the ISS, a pizza party. Imagine assembling your own pizza while floating in microgravity. Astronauts received special ingredients to make personal pizzas, complete with tomato sauce, cheese, and various toppings, all contained to keep everything from drifting away. Watching them spin their pizzas in zero gravity was a joyful reminder that even in space, food brings a sense of home. And beyond traditional meals, NASA is experimenting with growing fresh produce on the space station. Through hydroponic systems, astronauts have managed to grow lettuce, radishes, and even chili peppers, providing a fresh food option. This advancement in space food technology marks a significant step toward long-term space missions, where self-sustaining food sources will be essential. These innovations in food science and food engineering are not just about taste, they're paving the way for future space travel beyond our planet, to places like Mars and beyond. So, what have we learned? Preparing food for space missions is a delicate balance of nutrition, safety, and engineering. The meals have to be lightweight, nutritious, and safe in zero gravity. From freeze-dried meals to innovative food-growing experiments, each development in space food brings us closer to a future where humans can live and thrive beyond Earth. The journey of space exploration relies on keeping astronauts healthy and happy, and the food they eat plays a big role in their success. As we continue to push the boundaries of space technology, we're learning how to bring a taste of home to the stars. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of space food. What do you think would be the perfect meal in space? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed exploring this topic, be sure to subscribe to Beyond Tech Tide for more fascinating stories from the cosmos. Until next time, keep wondering and reaching for the stars.